What this is a great opportunity to get the seller's info and insight into the property that you're about to buy. Hey everyone, Justin Cooper with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. You found us here on YouTube. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This week, I want to talk to you about seller property disclosures. Now, I know when we're writing offers and going under contract on properties to buy and either fix and flip or hold them as rental properties, there's a whole lot of pages that go into the contract, right? And something that I think a lot of people skip over, they don't spend the time and read, is the seller property disclosure. Now, depending on what market you're in, what state you're in, these may be called different things. They may take different shapes and styles, but ultimately what the seller property disclosure is a document where the seller goes through and tells you all about what's going on in their property. So it may tell you about the roof, maybe the last time there was a leak and if and how they replaced it. Have there been any plumbing issues? Have they noticed anything with the driveway and the concrete? What this is a great opportunity to get the seller's info and insight into the property that you're about to buy. So us as investors, we should be savvy enough to walk through the property and do a good job of building our scope of work and looking for flaws in the property that we'll need to correct. We may be hiring home inspectors to do the same thing, but it's also really important to understand the history of the property, and the best way to get that is directly from the seller. So when you're going out and buying properties, making offers, be sure to take the time and look through the full contract and really understand what the seller's saying on the property disclosures. Now, sometimes they may disclose that there was a roof leak back in 2008 and it's been fixed. And so that's great to know that. It doesn't really make or break the deal that you're about to buy. But if there's something about, oh, there was a roof leak in 2008 and all we did was patch the drywall, well, that's a different concern, right? Now we need to be getting up into that attic, looking for maybe mold up in the attic, repairing or getting a roof company to certify the roof and make sure the roof is still good. So there's a lot of other insight that we can be getting out of those documents. So be sure to be reading every page that comes across your desk when you're making offers and buying properties. So as you're going through and reading through these seller property disclosures, make sure you go in with a trust but verify approach to this, okay? Just because a seller says that there might be something going on, don't just take that as the final word. Make sure you're going through and verifying it yourself. If you were maybe hesitant to get a home inspection, make sure you get that home inspection to get that third set of eyes, or have a professional contractor come through and verify what's going on. If there's anything else we can do to help you buy or invest in real estate, be sure to check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com.